Today the category is moisture because that's what you should be doing. Moisturizing your hair. Hey loves, welcome back to another video. My name is Kaela, and as always, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should hit that follow button as well. I've been changing up my Instagram feed. It's very much checkerboard now and slightly Tumblr theme. I'm also getting into more fashion, so I've been making a lot of fashion polls, and everyone has been loving that. If you're wondering why my eyes keep going back and forth, it's because I have a new camera and I just keep looking into the viewfinder and in the lens, and it's just kind of like, it's a new thing for me. But today's video is basically me giving you guys a little hair update. So as you can tell by the background, I'm back at home. I hope you guys are staying healthy and staying quarantined at home. And what better time to really experiment with your hair and kind of get a general knowledge on what you should be doing to be retaining length and just growing out your hair and just getting your hair to its full potential. I feel like since I've been making all my hair videos, excuse me, on my channel these past few years, I feel like I've really mastered growing out my hair. I mean, I've cut my hair a good 5 or 6 times on this channel alone, not to even mention the times I didn't record it, and I've always been able to grow it back to that same length or longer. So if you guys haven't watched my video back in January, or if you're new to my channel, I did end up straightening my hair and giving it a little haircut, and I said that was going to be like my last real haircut like that for a good minute. So right now I plan on just growing it all out to one length and not really doing the whole layers thing anymore. At first I really just cared for layers because I feel like it gave me that round shape, but because I know how to kind of pick out and manipulate my shape with my braid outs or twist outs now, I don't feel the need to have it, rounded and everything. But for the most part, I feel like I've been able to really branch out and try different products, because you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I usually gear or gravitate towards the exact same brands all the time. And in the past few months, I've been really branching off and trying a whole bunch of new products. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I've been doing a lot of mini tutorials or just reviewing a lot of different products that I haven't really necessarily put on YouTube. And one of them is Aunt Jackie's. I actually have the Curl Boss gel in my hair right now, in my slick curly ponytail. But I've been doing a lot of different styles since I've been in quarantine. You guys saw my mini braids video. I was obsessed with that. Again, I always say my number one tip of growing out your hair is try not to use a lot of heat styles, or just have a lot of low manipulation styles or protective styling. So I actually deep conditioned my hair, which I've been doing a lot lately, especially with my college schedule. I've been finding ways to make it like a deep conditioning on the go type thing, where I know I'm going to class the next day, so I'll just wash my hair, put the deep conditioner in my hair, put it in 2 braids, go to class. You can even wear a hat if you want to, and then wash it out and style your hair. So that's another tip I tell people all the time. You need to just try to incorporate deep conditioners in your regimen. So what I've been trying lately is the Aunt Jackie's Not Your Average Curl Bamboo and Avocado Protein Mask. I've used this a lot just to show you guys what the inside looks like. And I like when deep conditioners have like a lot of product in it, because if I can't get a good 2 or 3 uses out of it, it's just kind of like, why? I have a lot of hair. I need a lot of products. And then the other one is the Aunt Jackie's Magic Man Acai and Honey Thermal Repair Mask. Now I haven't used this yet because I haven't straightened my hair since February, but I think I'm going to do it again. And I did kind of hint back in January in my straight hair routine video that I think I'm going to go back to straightening my hair once every other month. So right now, like I said, I haven't straightened it since like February or early March. So right now I'm going to keep it, in my curly state. And then I think I'm just going to go ahead and straighten it and show you guys how I maintain my straight hair for about 1 to 2 weeks. And just so a few little things that I do to get it bone straight, because I'm the type of person that if I'm going to straighten my hair, I'm going to put it on the high heat setting. And personally for me, if I'm going to spend 2 to 3 hours of straightening my hair, it needs to be bone straight. Like, what is the point of putting all that manipulation and heat on your hair and then it looks like you just blow dried your hair? You know what I mean? So that's going to be a whole separate video. I'll get into that. But yes, I've been loving this. And Aunt Jackie's is one of those product lines that I feel, or just brands in general that I feel never really fails me. I'm going to insert a video of where I did a flat twist out using Aunt Jackie's, and that was one of the best flat twist outs I had, and I was raving about those products because I went to a football game in Tallahassee, Florida, and the humidity was crazy, and those products did not fail me. Not only that, but my hair lasted that entire week prior to, well, like when I did that twist out, you know. So I was just like, oh, Aunt Jackie's is the truth. And I've always liked their Curl Boss gel because I felt like it was comparable to Eco Styler gel, which is still kind of like my OG gel. But yes, I love Aunt Jackie's, so when they came out with these, I was just like, oh, let me go ahead and grab my hands on this. So this is definitely something I would consider you looking into and putting in your stash, especially with this being protein. You guys know I'm really big on protein treatments. Now, like I said, you definitely want to know your hair because not everybody's hair reacts well to protein, but for me, it does. And so with this mask, what I did was, of course, apply it all over my hair. And when I apply my deep conditioners, I like to shampoo my hair and just like leave it blank. Like I don't even follow up with the conditioner of that shampoo. I just feel like it just allows my hair to absorb the deep conditioner better, and I have low porosity hair, so one thing I've been noticing is that whenever I use heat with my deep conditioners, it penetrates in my hair a lot better. So with this mask, it's said to leave it in your hair 5 to 10 minutes. I always leave it at the maximum time, and I like to sit under my hooded dryer. I'm going to make a separate video on like my favorite tools to use with my hair lately, and also like my products that I've been liking as well. So comment down below if you guys definitely want to see me make that video. But what I do is I put a plastic cap over my head, I'll put my bonnet over my head, and then I'll sit under the dryer for however long it tells me to. And then if you don't have a hooded dryer, you can use a soft bonnet dryer. I've had one of those as well my sophomore year of college, and I think I showed it in a video before, but I'll leave a link to something similar to my hooded dryer, a soft bonnet dryer, and then you can also get a bonnet attachment to go to your handheld blow dryer. So again, no excuses, or if you feel like you just don't have any of that and you don't want to purchase it, what I used to do is cover my hair in like 2 or 3 caps and then put a bonnet on top of it, because your body heat is going to like create heat and, you know, get that deep conditioner all up in there and really penetrating in your hair. So yes, that's one of my key tips that I like to do now. But that is pretty much what I've always been doing as far as like my tips for really growing out and retaining the length in your hair. Low manipulation styles, protective styling, and less usage of heat. Now, like I said, I do use the highest setting in heat, but as you guys can tell, I don't really see much damage because I like to give my hair a lot of TLC prior to me straightening it. So like I said, I'll deep condition. I'll even sometimes do a protein treatment before I straighten it and then deep condition. And then when I get ready to wash my straight hair and go back to my curly hairstyles, I will deep condition again. You know, just making sure I don't leave my hair hanging, in a sense, if that makes sense. So that is pretty much it. And I want to tell you guys, definitely check out my website at www.theokaekaela.com, because I write a lot of lifestyle inspiration blog posts on there, fashion posts, and hair posts, and makeup posts too. So definitely check that out. And I want to tell you guys, please follow me on Instagram, because a lot of the little sneak peeks of these videos that I post on YouTube, I post on Instagram first. So yes, definitely let me know in the comment section down below any other videos you guys want me to make, because we are in quarantine. So like, what other better time? I did already kind of throw out hints that I want to do mini twists now, because I loved that mini braid tutorial that I did, and that was amazing to not do my hair for like almost 2 weeks. Okay, so let me know if you guys want to see that as well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.